Dreams don't work unless you do. This business is all about the hustle. You gotta set yourself up. You're not gonna come in and everybody's gonna know who you are. You gotta build your book of business. Stay top of mind. Even some of the seasoned agents, they fail is that they don't reach out. They don't stay in contact with their sphere of influence, right? And they make their sphere of influence their sphere of influence. People need to know who you are. The best lesson I've learned, obstacles are going to present themselves in life every single day. It's how you handle them that will make the difference. If you develop a defeatist mentality, then you will lose. You will fail. A lot of people don't realize that you're not going to get paid until you close a transaction. 97% of realtors fail in their first year. And I really feel that it's because of the lack of training and support. This is a business that you have to hustle. You have to hustle. As a leadership team, we also have to encourage the agents to want to do what they have to do. If we can drill that down and help these young people understand the importance of having conversations and working your leads, sky's the limits for them.